Hey guys, welcome back to Epic Reviews, and this is going to be a part 2 of Desperado Megatron from Unique Toys. I'm going to be transforming him, so I'm not going to pretty much do much talking, but I am going to put on some music for you, so let's get to it. I decided to take a break because I just got frustrated with it. It was taking a long time, but as you see, it's starting to all come together. So I'm just gonna finish the rest in this video. But while I was off camera, I was just pretty much working on the stuff that I was struggling with to keep the video from going so long. Alright, so this is pretty much it. And Desperado Megatron from Unique Toys in his truck mode. So it's pretty long, as you can see. Yeah, it took at least about 2 hours or so. I don't know, I wasn't counting, but it was a long time. I'm just glad to get this out of the way, because I knew this was going to be very frustrating. So now you can put the tarp on and the chain, which is right here, and this. Let's see. Yeah, you get the point. You get the point. So this is pretty much it. This is Megatron and this truck mode. This is it. We can see how long it is with the tape measure. And let's just see. So it's about, let's see. Alright, let me get it better. So it's between about 19.5 inches long. Let me get this. pretty much, it's about that long. Yeah, 19.5 inches long. So it's a long truck. So, well, this is it. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification button, and leave a comment down below. So, thank you.